beautiful. Is that your foot? Hi. Are those both your feet? Show us your feet. Those are your feet. Yay. Those are your feet. Yay.
P. Let's write P again.
Hi.
P. Now we have P. O.
Oh, frustrated, huh? You frustrated? You frustrated? Don't be frustrated. Hi.
Spectacular spelling.
I see your butt crack.
And got Princess down.
I see your butt crack. Oh no. Oh
Follow those princesses.
no. Here's your ball. Oh, we love our ball.
You see
Ah. Hi.
ones.
Hi, beautiful.
U, P, I. Oh yeah, U, P, and I. Now we need to put them in our super duper computer. Two more super letters and then
Mm-hmm.
our super story answered. Way to go, super readers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear, I don't see my princesses anywhere. I'll never find out where they're sneaking off to.
I see the princesses. There, at that tent. To the tent.
Princesses, wait, don't run away again.
Father, we're not going to run away. In fact, now we're glad you're here.
Yes, it's time to share a secret with you. And it's right in
Oh, really? Did your daddy show you that?
Lock the door. You'll see why we've been so sneaky. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The key! We've lost the key, and now we can't show our secret.
But that's our story, see? The key is lost.
Without the key, we can't open the door and show
Oh
our
no. Oh no.
Rescue! With the power to read,
That's kind of far away.
save the day.
But there's this toy. There's that toy.
Use the word lost in the sentence. Ready, set, zap. Y-Writer, right. Super readers, what word will help the princesses get their key back? Popped, found, or hidden? Maybe found? Which is the word found? It has an F at the beginning.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.